ideal for gardens, patios, and balconies. Each line extends to 15 meters. PVC coated, white clean lines. With detachable bracket. Supplied with fixing. Bracket fixed to the wall with 4 screws. Device is attached to the bracket using pins provided. You can attach the ends at any distance without necessarily extending the ropes to the maximum. I even secured the lines at an angle. You can lock stretched line here and adjust tension as well. The lines easily rolls up back to the drum. Looks good, takes up little space, can be easily removed for the winter.